Hello everyone, welcome to another video. So today we're fishing on Australia Day. Yeah, it's Australia Day, it's great. So fishing here at Cool Street Jetty, and that's what we're using. So we got 3 rods here. We got 5,000 Stradic, 3,000 Sedona, and 2,000 crossfire. This one will be for lures, this one for Taylor, and this one for Taylor again with the ganged hooks. And also have the big rod out, the big silk rod. Hoping to get something like a follow away. So got 100-pound leader with 4 hooks snelled, so that, and also got a crab pot as well, which I'll put a bit of bait and hopefully we can get a crab. So you're fishing in front of Penn City, we'll be fishing to the fireworks, so maybe I'll post a video about the fireworks, but for now we'll be fishing here. See some on the way bait, I was using some one which I caught the other day, and got snelled hooks. A bit frozen, but it will defrost pretty quickly. So here's the bait for the crab. I was using this piece of stingray which I caught the other day, and I'm just going to drop it down and pull it up every 10 to 20 minutes. Here it is, first fish of the day. Got a grunter. I was going to release it, but he swallowed the hook, so I had to take it out the hard way. Yeah, pretty decent size one. I'm going to keep him. Everyone's trying to caught this bream. He's 25 centimeters. You can see he's 25 on the dot there. I'm gonna keep this guy. Pretty good fish. Looking at my third fish, greedy little brim. Pulled really hard, but this time I'm just gonna hook him and let him go. Get back, get back. Just caught the stingray. Let me go. Bye. There we go, after I just got that stingray, got another one, tiny black brim. Yeah, it's fairly close, I'm just going to throw him back. So I just had a bit of a drag burn, and now I got a 70% power line at the beach and had a bad one.